nicely back to back, thigh and knee at same level. Now both the hands open up, open up, open up, inhale, open up, stretch up, open up inside, stretch up, more inhale, go back, inhale, open up, more open, more inhale, more open, more inhale, eyes closed, in final position. Now release slowly, first neck will come back, then both the hands together come up, go up, exhale slowly, more slowly, exhale, 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 both the hands on knee. Now pull the core area and exhale completely. Exhale through the mouth. Now again start inhaling first, normal posture, then up, inhale, more up, more inhale, more up, stretch both the hands inside. Now go to back, inhale, hold the chair, inhale more, open up chest, open up rib cage, inhale more. Now exhale, exhale, slowly exhale, slowly exhale, 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 both the hands on knee, exhale completely, pull the core area, पेट का हिस्सा, core in, throat suck in, exhale, exhale and exhale completely. Blow out with the mouth, exhale. Now relax in normal position. Relax. रुकेंगे. Now left and right. Turn right, turn left, turn right, turn left, turn right, turn left, turn right, turn left and right and left. Okay. अब क्या करेंगे? लेफ्ट हैंड से राइट साइड का चेयर का साइड पकड़ के इनहेल, इनहेल, थोड़ा सा और इनहेल करेंगे, हम राइट में जाएंगे. क्या होगा? रिब ओपन होगी, चेस्ट ओपन होगा. नाउ वी कैन ब्रीथ मोर. इनहेल, इनहेल, inhale as long as possible, inhale, exhale, relax. Other side, left hand in left side, hold, right hand into left side, twist and inhale, more open, more inhale, rib cage open, lungs open, breathe nicely. Inhale, inhale, some more inhale. Now exhale slowly. अपने हाथ को वापस लाएंगे. Exhale slowly, come into center position. Exhale. Repeat. Inhale, open up, open up. ये हमारा बैक है, ये चेयर के बैक से लगा होना चाहिए. आगे नहीं झुकेंगे हम ऐसे करते हुए. ओपन अप, चेस्ट ओपन, चेस्ट ब्रॉड, लंग्स ओपन, शोल्डर ओपन. इनहेल, इनहेल नाइसली, exhale slowly. Now relax. Same with other side. Inhale, left hand open up in left side. Inhale nicely. Chest open, lungs open, breathe nicely. Inhale, inhale. Now exhale slowly. In center. Both the hands up in the sky. Inhale, inhale. Go up, go back. As much possible, go up, go back. दोनों हाथ ऊपर. Inhale, open up, open up. Lungs open, chest open, shoulder open. Inhale, inhale. Some more inhale. As much possible, inhale. Now exhale. सबसे पहले कोर वापस आएगा. The hands, the head. Now come back slowly, gently. Blow out with the mouth. Now go up to the legs. Exhale. ऐसे exhale करते हुए go up to the legs. Exhale, exhale. Chest press. Core press. Exhale, exhale, exhale. Surrender, eyes closed. Exhale, surrender, eyes closed. More surrender, more eyes closed. Come back. Gently come back. Slowly come up. Again repeat the position. Inhale, open up, open back, open chest. Open up, open rib cage. Inhale nicely, nicely. Slowly exhale. Exhale, blow out with the mouth. exhale, more bend, more exhale, more bend, complete forward bend, exhale, 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 पूरा chest, पेट खाली कर देंगे, exhale nicely, exhale completely. Now relax and come in. Inhale, open up. अब क्या करना है हमको? Now next move is both the hands up in the sky. Both the hands lock together. Inhale, in right, in left. हाथ को आगे नहीं रखेंगे, हाथ पीछे जाएगा. Side to side, side to side with normal breathing. अपनी normal breathing है उसके साथ में right and left, and right and left. Right hand down, left hand up. Inhale, center. Exhale, side. 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 Inhale, center. Inhale nicely. Now exhale, side. Hold there. जब तक हम breath out कर रहे हैं, we are holding there. Exhale, 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 exhale. Come in. Inhale. Inhale nicely. Now exhale. Turning to left side. Back to back. चेयर की बैक से हमारी बैक आगे ना आए. Do not bend forward. Back to back. Bend into sides only. Inhale up. Exhale. Into right side. Exhale, exhale, exhale. More exhale, more bend. But do not bend forward. Come back. Center. Inhale. Exhale. Blow out. Exhale, exhale, exhale. Come back into center. Join both the hands together. Now relax shoulder. पीछे अपने शोल्डर को स्ट्रेच करेंगे. एक हाथ से पकड़ के दूसरे हाथ को स्ट्रेच. Normal breathing. Lungs open, chest open, rib cage open. शोल्डर को भी अच्छा आराम मिलेगा. नेक रिलैक्स. नेक पीछे नहीं बेंड करना है, नेक को आगे नहीं पुश करना है. ओनली शोल्डर स्ट्रेच विथ बोथ द हैंड्स. ऐसे एक एक हाथ से पकड़ के दूसरे को पीछे खींचना है. साइड से देखो. ऐसे इन राइट, इन लेफ्ट, इन राइट, इन लेफ्ट, इन राइट, इन लेफ्ट. नाउ रिलैक्स. रुकेंगे. रिलैक्स. यहाँ पर वी विल फील नाइस स्ट्रेच इन अवर शोल्डर्स, रिब केज. अच्छे से श्वास अंदर आएगी, बाहर जाएगी. इनहेल. रिलैक्स. थोड़ा सा आगे झुके. बोथ द एल्बोज ऑन नी. नाउ रिलैक्स. नॉर्मल ब्रीदिंग. ब्लो आउट विद द माउथ. रिलैक्स. कम बैक सेंटर पोजीशन. दोनों हाथों को रब करेंगे. अभी देखेंगे कि हमारे हाथ we are finding our hands are little soft than before, or that is due to detoxification through the breath and more inhalation of oxygen through the breath. Now relax. Come side to side.